Let's understand the difference between pages and scenes in Adobe Express. When you open a new project, whether it's a video or a design, you have pages. Each page is like a small project, so when you want to create a video, you need to enter one of the pages and edit the video inside it. For videos, you will have a timeline, and inside the timeline, you will have scenes. It looks similar to pages, but it's different. In scenes, you can see the different layers of video, audio, or any other media, and you can add transitions between the scenes. Let's see how to navigate between the pages and scenes in a project in Adobe Express. When you open a new project, you don't have anything on the screen except the pages. If you have more than one page in the project and you're in the page view, you can watch the pages in a grid view, and the main monitor will go away. If you have a lot of pages in one project and want to find the right one, it's easier to view the designs in grid view to find what you need. At the top, you can select multiple pages to duplicate or delete them, or add a new page to the project. To return to the project, just click on one of the pages. You can switch between page view and timeline view by using the buttons on the left side. You can close the page view at the bottom to have more room for the monitor and see the details better. When you do that while you're in page view, you'll still have the three dots with the option to go to the previous or next page, along with the other options you had before. You can add more pages to a project. Each page can have its own dimensions, and if you create videos, each page is a separate video. Click the button on the side to add a page. When you click on the new page, you'll see options to create a page the same size as the last one, or to change dimensions. This lets you create a few videos in the same project that are separate from each other. You can also create different variations of the same video by duplicating a page. Just click the three dots and choose the duplicate option. Then you can make small or big changes to the new video. You can duplicate a video and then change the dimension so it fits different social media requirements. After you duplicate the video, click on the new page with the duplicated video, then at the top, click on the Resize button. Choose the new dimensions from the side and click Resize. When you resize the video or image, you can click on the Expand button to fill any gap. If there's extra space, it will use AI to fill it for the video. You can use the Expand option only on images. You can also click Duplicate and Resize from here, so you don't need to duplicate it first. If you click to expand the image, you get three options to choose from. The duplicate option is also useful if you want to make slight changes between two videos. That way, you don't need to open a new project each time you make a small change, and you can keep track of all the changes in the same project. You can also use different pages to create different file types, like PNG, PDF, or video. When you download the whole project, you'll get those options, and each page will download as a separate file in a zip folder. When you click Edit Timeline, it will open the specific page you're on, and now you can edit one video. Here, you can add different scenes, and each scene can have multiple assets as layers on top of each other. You can change how each one shows. If you started the project as a post for social or any other image-based project, you won't see the timeline right away. Only when you add a video clip, the page will switch to a timeline-based page. If you add a page to the project and then start adding video clips or animations to the elements on the page, it will change the file to a video, and then you'll be able to open the timeline and edit it as a video. When you're in the main project view, you'll see all the pages at the bottom. On the video pages, there will be a play button icon so you'll know it's a video. If you click on the three dots of a page, you'll see what kind of file it is and the dimensions. Below that, you'll find options to insert a new page, duplicate it, delete it, or edit the timeline. Even if it's not a video yet, you can still open the timeline and start making it one. You can also switch views for the scenes. Click on the button to move from timeline to scene view. When you have a lot of scenes, this makes it easier to find the right one since you don't see the full timeline. In scene view, you also get new tools. You can select multiple scenes and work on them together. You can move scenes around if you want to change the video order, add transitions by clicking on the transition option and placing it between scenes, and you can also duplicate, delete, or trim the video from here. It makes it easier to see the full video in one place. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.